9. Ginger. Ginger improves metabolism, boosts fat cell breakdown, limits fat absorption, and reduces excessive appetite. Ginger water also aids in weight loss, waist-to-hip ratio, fasting glucose, and insulin resistance index. Here is weight loss recipe of ginger. Boil a cup of water, crush ginger roots by using a mortar and pestle. Pour the boiling water over the crushed ginger root. Give it another 2 minutes to boil. Once the flame is out, add the honey to drink, strain, and give it a good stir. 10. Turmeric. Turmeric includes curcumin, which helps lower bad cholesterol and inflammation, therefore aiding weight loss. Curcumin consumption in persons with metabolic syndrome has been reported to help lower BMI, body weight, and waist circumference. Here is weight loss recipe of turmeric. Essie a mortar and pestle to crush the turmeric root. Add it to a cup of warm water. Add lime juice. Stir well before drinking. 11. Cayenne pepper. One of the components of Beyoncé's famous Master Cleanse diet is cayenne pepper. It contains a lot of capsaicin, which has cleansing properties and encourages the body to burn fat. When used sparingly, cayenne pepper can help suppress appetite by promoting fullness. It has thermogenic ingredients that prevent the growth of fat cells and boost thermogenesis and fat metabolism. 12. Dandelion. A study published in the Review of Diabetic Studies found that dandelions contain anti-diabetic, anti-obesity, anti-inflammatory, anti-hyperglycemic, and antioxidant characteristics. 13. Ginseng. The Chinese have utilized ginseng as a medicinal for ages. It helps reduce inflammation and stress, suppresses appetite, lowers glucose absorption and lipid metabolism, reduces insulin resistance and the risk of liver damage, lowers LDL cholesterol, and controls blood sugar levels. Check in description box.